Hi there. Let's take a look at Google. We'll cover the weekly market structure and also the short-term trend, so you can learn how to assess the risk of next price move, even if you're new to chart analysis. From a big picture perspective, Google is currently in the markup stage of the market cycle. You can clearly see it's still along the rising channel, even though it's been trying to test the support, okay, or the bottom of the channel. This is education content only, not financial advice. The key support level on the weekly time frame is still this 340 purple key level. We have been covering this line for at least 2 weeks, and the major resistance remains 360. All right, that's the current view in the weekly picture. The volume, it's around average, so no big commitment from both the bulls and the bears. Now, this shorter term detailed picture. We talked about this, that the price, if there's no crazy news, the range bound between 340 and this short-term level of 346 is what or where the bulls and bears will battle around. And indeed, it mostly stayed the same in the current week. And as we get closer to the end of the month, it is getting to one of these 2C's decision point. What's 2C's? This is the C, okay? The first C is continue, meaning continuation of the current trend, the short-term trend, which is sideways as of this moment. If that's the case, when we get closer to the 8th of September, meaning this wedge, if it continues, it is going to break the downtrend or the falling channel ceiling. Okay, if it is the second C, the change, that's going to either break this 340, okay, or if it do that sooner, that's going to break the 346 and goes up to challenge the ceiling at that point. But assuming it is staying below this yellow dash line, then we are talking about it is continuing with this blue downtrend, breaking the 340 support. Of course, before that happens, we still have this 28th of August window because the bulls can push above the 346, gap the trading between those two lines within the wedge, and eventually push outside of it, another 2C's decision point. All right. As of now, we're just observing which one it would be when the time comes. So let me know in the comment what you think, whether after this period of sideways, it is eventually going to go back up to challenge the higher levels, or if we zoom out to take a look, which kind of has been what's happening for these prices to come up and challenge and then return to 340. Or do you think the market sentiment is getting less positive and it is going to do what it did just 4 weeks ago? Okay, dipping to 320. Await your comment. And remember to subscribe to see the next update. Thank you.